Opening shipping container doors is typically a two-handed operation, but with this new roll-up door framing kit that replaces the shipping container doors, now only takes one. This here is a one-time use shipping container, and it's got that easy open handle, and so that wasn't so bad, especially for a guy like me. Don't tell my doctor I did that. So if this was a used shipping container and those were difficult to open, and they often can be, sometimes the hinges are bent or the lock rods are bent, well, here's a solution for you guys. We have a roll-up door kit that installs in place of the shipping container doors, and as you see, it can be utilized with the shipping container door still attached. And so if you're going in and out of your shipping container all day, every day, that there is a lot easier to open and close and gives you access in and out of the container all day long. The big issue with these roll-up doors is they're pretty thin. It's like 26, 24 gauge steel. It's all a corrugated roll, and you can pretty much boot your way through that door. So you potentially want to close up the shipping container doors and use that nifty lockbox at the end of the day and have a very secure, rugged shipping container, but still have the convenience of this roll-up door all throughout the day while you're on a job site. So often we would install these on the end wall of a shipping container by simply just cutting out the corrugations and then installing our framing kit and then the door itself. But now you can actually cut the container doors right off of these things, install this framing kit, which gives you a header and enough clearance up here for this roll-up door to completely coil up, and it closes entirely. So these roll up into a coil just like this, and they attach to tracks just like this. And so there's a bracket that connects to the center tube, and this thing is sprung. So you can actually torque it and torsion it or tighten it, and that will allow you to lift it a lot easier, and it'll stay up instead of dropping back down. And this installs after you install the frame. So right here is our new roll-up door frame, and this installs right into the corner post, the structural post of the shipping container. And the verticals are really only 4 pieces, and they're all the identical piece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the header and the traditional header piece, just like our wall flashing kit. So there's 2 pieces up here, 2 on each side, 6 total pieces. It's very easy to install, and now that gives us the interior flange that we need, where we can lift up these tracks and run our self-tapping screws back through, and we're not poking them straight through the outside here, and then you got yourself a dagger. So because of the thickness here, we can screw into that. We're not worried about the dagger here. And what's really important is we only use a 7-foot wide roll-up door here. A lot of times on the sidewalls of containers, because they're 11 inches on center, we go 7 foot 3 inches, but the center pipe hits the outside walls. We can't fit 7.3, so we got to go down to 7 feet, and then that just fits inside of here. And so the end wall roll-up doors and now the container door replacement roll-up doors are the same size. They're 7 feet wide, and then on standard height containers we go 6 foot 8 inches tall, and on high cubes we go 7 foot 3 inches tall. That seems to work out pretty well. But often when you order these rails right here come a little bit too long. So there's a couple things you got to do. One, well, I guess when you go to hold it up, you're going to realize it's hitting the roof. Well, then you got to shorten this a little bit. So you'll have to cut a little bit off unless you get the perfect height, which is often hard to do. So it's pretty easy to take like a portable bandsaw, angle grinder, anything, and cut a couple inches off these. But then what you're also going to have to do is where your slide latch goes into the rail, so when you close your door and you latch it over, that now needs a new hole. And with that there, if you drill a couple holes and you use a die grinder or something, you really want to make sure that you drill it down low enough, and so that you don't accidentally go a little bit too high, because then your door is going to be sloppy and you're going to have daylight coming in underneath your door seal. And so it's very important. You'd rather slowly work your way up just to make sure that you can get a real good compression on that door seal as you go to slide latch the door shut. So we learned quite a bit installing these first versions of this kit, and we have a couple tiny changes to make. And then once that's done, I guess this will be ready to commercialize. So if you're interested in a kit like this, please comment down below, because that's good feedback, and that will potentially speed us up in commercializing this and getting it available for you at containermodificationworld.com. So there you have it. We replaced these shipping container doors with this kit. This is gonna solve some of your problems. So you can actually keep those container doors and hold them wide open throughout the day, and then have this as a more accessible door throughout the day. And then when you're done, still keep the security of the container doors. That is a huge advantage to people that are looking for that added accessibility day in, day out, but also that natural security that shipping containers provide you. So if you enjoyed this video, please help us out. Give the video a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.